To make a pom-pom, you're going to need a pen, some scissors, something circular to trace around, some cardboard, and 2 paper rolled tubes. Trace out 2 circles and then cut them out. Cut a hole in the center of one of the circles. Next, take your yarn and your 2 toilet paper tubes. Put the yarn through the center and hold it. Now wrap the yarn around at least 100 times, depending on the size of pom-pom you'd like to make. Cut a piece of yarn long enough to go around it. And then slip it around the string between the 2 tubes. Tie it together to secure the yarn. And then gently take out the 2 cardboards from inside of the yarn. Pull to secure. Wrap around to the other side and tie a knot. Now take your scissors and cut through all the loops. Take the 2 cardboard circles that you made and the string that you secured the yarn with, pull through the center of the circle. Place the other cardboard on top. Now trim off all the excess yarn that's sticking outside of the 2 cardboard circles. Remove the cardboard and fluff the pom-pom out. Now you're going to want to lay the pom-pom on its side and place it back between the 2 cardboard circles. You don't need to put the string through the center this time. Now trim off the excess yarn. And now you have your pom-pom. Fluff your pom-pom and trim any pieces that are still a little bit too long.